Okay, so here are a couple comments on this second activity, the volume of a cylinder. So here's a circle that you see right there. And we're thinking about the area of a circle. Each one of these is a centimeter, 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, right? So then the radius of this circle is here from the center out. It should be 3 centimeters. Do y'all see that? So from here out it's 3, here it's 3, here it's 3. If we could measure directly, we can't get, like, these diagonals are not 1 centimeter. They're larger than 1 centimeter. Okay. So the question is, like, what's the area of the circle? And so we know that that should be pi r squared, where the radius is 3 centimeters. So I'll let you do that. I think it should be pi r squared should be 9 pi centimeters squared, right? Whatever that is when you plug it into your computer. Okay, so now it says imagine a layer of centimeter cubes, which I have put together. Look at that. Here. So these are centimeter cubes. The blue base blocks are 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. They're very well designed manipulatives. That exactly covers the circle. So then I have this, like, cutout thing right here. Do y'all see that? So you have, like, these blue base blocks that are just taking up the just this circle, and the other pieces aren't there. And so the question is, what's the volume of that layer? So now you have this area, right, times some height, right? It's just one layer. And now I add in this, like, vertical height to it, right? Because, like, right down below there, it's like this vertical height. So I have that going on. So the volume of that should be this 9 pi centimeters squared times 1, right? Because the height is 1 centimeter. So it should not change. So now I think this should be 9 pi centimeters cubed, because when you multiply something by 1, it just stays the same, right? Okay, and now then it asks about this cylinder here that we use in a couple of the activities, and it asks you, okay, well, the height of this centimeter and the height of this cylinder, and I'll just show you, these are very well designed manipulatives from this activity, should be, here's a 10, should be 10 centimeters, because each of these is 1 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder should be 10 centimeters. And so then how many layers of cubes would the cylinder contain if we stuck them inside here? So, like, if I could fill this up all the way to the top, just kind of like this, and cutting out these centimeter cubes, right? Then what would this look like? And then what would be the volume of that cylinder? Is that okay? So I'll let you, but you can kind of picture these layer after layer, layer after layer of these, like building up 10 of these, and thinking about the work we did with the prisms, where really kind of these things go back to just counting. So, like, for the prisms, it was just a count of how many cubes. I'm really kind of doing this, except I have to count all of these partial cubes, because some of them are getting, like, chopped off in weird ways by the circle, but area of the circle allows me to kind of think about that. So what's the volume of the cylinder? And then step 3 just conceptualizes the volume more broadly. Okay, so I hope this helps, but let me know if you have questions.